Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good to be here again. Although I'm not like fully recovered, but you know, there is an improvement. I'm feeling a lot better. So it's been over 10 days, or I think 8. Can you be quiet? It's been about 8 days now. I was diagnosed, or I tested positive to the COVID-19. So but I'm feeling a lot better now. That's why I'm here. So guys, thank you all for tuning in. So today video that I'll be making, I'll be giving you guys updates. You remember the last time was the recipe, or the detox drink that I did about getting my bloated stomach down. So, and I haven't been able to, like, you know, give you guys an update. So that's why I'm here today. I'll be giving you guys an update on that drink, how I felt about it, and also update on my garden, what is going on my garden. So guys, to be honest with you, that drink really worked so well. As you guys can see, although I still have like, I don't know if you guys are seeing my full video right now. So you guys can see, although I still have like the side fats, and I'm sure the drink is not gonna take away this stuff, you know, this stuff, all this back stuff here. The drink is not gonna take that away. This is what I have to like work, do. My kids are so noisy. Udoka, can you be quiet? Sorry about that. So this is like what no drink can take away. So I have to like do some kind of exercise to get this part out, but I'm not fully recovered, no, to do any kind of strenuous hard exercise right now. So I will just do my normal drink. Like right now, what I'll be drinking is apple cider vinegar with lemon and warm water. That's what I'll be drinking for now until when I'm fully recovered from this virus, the COVID-19 virus. Then I can do some kind of exercise. Probably I will do the clothing 2 weeks up if I could keep up with that. That's really crazy, but I will see what I can do to, you know, to get my belly down a little bit more. But to be frank with you guys, if you remember the video from the last time, you know what I'm talking about. As you can see, my stomach went down pretty good. So, and that's pretty it. So I'll go ahead and show you guys my garden, the tomatoes. I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to share that with you guys as well. So, and I also want to thank you all that have been praying for me for speedy recovery from this virus. I appreciate it also. So guys, I don't want to waste too much time or make this video too long. So because when I talk a lot, the call from that virus starts, you know, all over again. So I'm gonna do this as quick as I can, you know, to get out of here, because whenever this is like my main floor, the main building. So whenever I'm here, I'm always like wearing my face mask, but because of this video, I'm not wearing it. So that's why I'm trying to like make sure I'm doing everything pretty quick, so I can, you know, leave. I'll go back to the basement. I've been quarantined on the basement for like over a week now. So guys, that's where I'm living. So guys, let's go. Let me show you guys my garden. Let me not be talking too much. Here we are. These are my tomatoes. There's a lot of seed on them right now, but I'll show you guys. So let's start from these onions. So these are my onions. They are doing pretty good, but honestly, I don't know how long onions, how long they can stay before they can be harvested. I don't know. So probably I have to like research on that. But if any of you have any idea, just leave the comments. Leave me a comment at the comment section. So these are my tomatoes. Let's take a closer look. I don't know if you guys can see the seed. I better not break them. I don't know if my hand is covering the camera or not. I'm a very horrible camera woman. It's very sunny out here, so I can't really see. So I hope you guys saw that. So every single one of the tomatoes has seed on it right now. I don't know if you're seeing that as well. So all of them has some seed. And what I will be doing today, I will be putting them up with some wire, because some of them are kind of bending. So look at that. I don't know if you're seeing that. I don't even know if I'm recording this properly. So the point is that all the tomatoes, they are doing pretty good. Like, they are doing awesome. Wow, what's going on with this one? This one looks like it's dying. You know, my kid, my little boy, the only place that he seems to be like very interested in taking a walk is on this garden. The other time he stepped on one and that one died. So I don't know if you can see, this one actually died. So the last time he was taking a walk around the garden and he stepped on it. I have told him never to take a walk around the garden, but I don't know. So when I'm not around, he actually feel like it's fun taking a walk around the garden, and he ended up stepping on them. So that one over there died. So I'm sure this one is dying as well. I don't know, because it's not looking good to me. As you guys can see, it's not looking pretty good. It's looking so bad. So and let's see the other ones over here. So these ones are doing very well. I can see seed on this one too. So every single one of the tomatoes has seed on them. And the pepper, so the pepper is like barely 2 weeks now, so I don't expect any seed, anything much from them right now. So, and I have few more that I have to transplant today, like taking them from the cup to the soil. So look at my garden, it's looking pretty good. So I have a couple more that I have to put. This is like the late one. So I just planted those ones in the cup like about a week ago. So I'll go ahead and transplant them and put them in the soil. I hope they do good. So guys, I'll show you guys what I will do next. Alright, the next thing I will be doing now, I'll go ahead and bring out all the wires. And these wires are the ones that I used from my garden about 2 years ago. Last year I did not do any planting because I was too busy with school, my kids, a lot of stuff was going on. So I didn't have time to do any garden. So these barbed wires, they plant guard. So these are the stuff that I used from last 2 years. So since we moved into this house that we're living now, since we bought the house, we haven't done any planting. So I'm just using those wires to put the plants, the tomatoes up. Because if I don't put them up like with those wires, they will be, once they start growing, they start falling down and they might eventually die. So I use this to put them up so they can have a route where they can grow, and then it's like a support, like giving the plants some support. So I'll go ahead and put all of that in. Sorry about my voice, you know, this virus is kind of not really good. Well, I thank God so far my symptoms are not that bad. So, but my voice is still not back to normal because of the cough and the other stuff that is going on. So I'll go ahead and put the rest of them. And this is the last one. So I have like about 16 of those wires. So because my plants from last 2 years wasn't big enough, I had a little space because we were living in a place where we were renting. So when you're renting a house, you can't do much because you don't want the landlord to get angry that you're destroying their land with all these their flowers that they have all over the place. But here now, this is our own house, so I can actually take out any flower that I don't want and put whatever thing that I want on them, which is what I did. So they are all looking good, and one of the rings fell off, but that's okay, I got enough. All right guys, as you can see, I'm done putting some of the tomatoes in the barbed wire, in the cable or whatever. I don't know the right name for this stuff, but it's kind of a plant guard. So this kind of guard the plants to the right direction instead of laying on the floor. So this is like a plant guard. That's the right name for that. So last 2 years when I did my planting, I had a little space, like just a very tiny space where we were living, the place we were living before. So but right now we have a very bigger space. So this is all the barbed wires that I used from my last garden. So now I have a very bigger space. That means I'll be buying more of this stuff. So I'll be buying more of that maybe in 2 days time, if I'm able to go out to the store. Probably I'm not able to go. I can't go because I'm still on quarantine, so I'm not allowed to leave the house for now until my COVID-19 test comes back to be negative. Then I can go out. So maybe my husband can go out and get some of this, the plant guard, so I can put the remaining ones in it. So guys, that's the update for today. And while I was doing this, I was being very, very careful not to break them. But unfortunately, I accidentally broke one of the stems, which is this, and that came out from this part. So this part right there. So my hands are pretty much dirty now from all this stuff that I've been doing. But that's okay. When you're farming, you expect your hands to be dirty, right? So that will be washed once I go inside. So guys, that's it. And for next year planting, this space that you're seeing here, all this space right there, we'll go ahead and take those things off because we don't need all these flowers or whatever they call them. So go ahead and take them down and make good use of that space. So guys, I'm so happy for the tomatoes. They are doing pretty good, even though 2 died, but that's okay. I'm grateful for what I have. So that's it guys. I'll see you guys. The next update will be like when these tomatoes are ready to be plugged. That will be my next update on these tomatoes, when they are ready to be plugged and cooked. So I will show you guys. Now I don't know how long that is gonna take, but once I'm ready to harvest them, I'll let you guys know. And the remaining part, like I said, we'll get more of this stuff and pull them up. So that wouldn't be taking long. Maybe before the end of the week, we'll make sure that I get that part done as well. All right guys, I'm kind of like out of breath right now. So that's one of the symptoms for this virus. When you kind of do a little bit of work, you kind of start getting out of breath as if you have been working so hard. Okay guys, I'll go back inside and get some rest. So that's it for today. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the update, and my tomatoes is really growing very well, and I'm so happy and grateful for that. So guys, thank you all for joining me today. I hope you enjoy it like as much as I did. That dog kept barking like crazy. So guys, just ignore the noise. There's a lot of people doing their lawn, the dog barking, so many noise around this backyard. So guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any video. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm kind of sweating right now because I've been out here for a very long period. I've been out here and I'm getting very exhausted with the virus going on as well. So guys, thanks for watching once again, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day and wish me speedy recovery from the virus, and I will see you guys. Have a wonderful day and stay safe out there, please. Okay guys, bye now.